In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit checks in Cash App. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So to deposit a check on Cash App, you will need to have a verified Cash App account and a linked bank account. So you can deposit checks up to $7,500 per day and $15,000 per month. There is a fee of 5% of the check amount for instant deposits or 1 to 3 business days for free deposits. So to deposit a check on Cash App, just open the Cash App application on your mobile device. Now tap on the Banking tab. Now tap on Checks. Now enter the check amount and take a photo of the front and back of the check. Now simply review and confirm the check details and tap Deposit. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.